We're always getting asked, how do I program my own car key? That's what we're going to talk about today on Locksmith Recommended. Now, we previously did a video discussing the evolution of car keys and why they need to be programmed to your car. If you haven't seen that, it's very interesting stuff. Be sure to click the link that I'll put down below in the description and at the end of the video. Here I'm going to tell you how you can program the key to your car. Now, there's a certain gotcha there. I can't really tell you that specifically for your car. Every year, make, and model has a slightly different set of instructions. How do you get those directions? That's what I'm going to tell you today. All you need to do to find out if the car key can be programmed to your car is click the link to our website down below in the description, and that'll take you to our car remote and car key page. If you just search for your year, make, and model of car, if it's onboard programmable, that means you can program it yourself. You're going to see a little programming tab right there. Click on that tab. That'll have the directions for your specific year, make, and model. If you don't see that tab, that means you cannot do the programming on your own, and you're going to have to hire somebody like a locksmith to take care of it for you. Now, with those directions right there, just print them out, stick them in your glove box. You'll have them forever. There is one gotcha here that I should address, and that is car key remote combos. If your key looks something like that in the image here, a lot of times when they combined those keys and remotes together in one unit, they actually kept the electronics separate. So you may see programming directions for the remote that don't apply to the key. So if you go through those instructions to program the key to your car and the remote works, it locks and unlocks the doors, but the car won't start with the key, or the car starts and dies after just a few seconds, that means that that key needs to be programmed separately by somebody that can do that. Take it into a locksmith shop or have a locksmith come out to you. So what did you think? Was this information useful? Did it help you out? Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. I'm Robert. You've been watching Locksmith Recommended.